What difference does it make? What difference does it make? इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? What difference does it make? I have to go to Islamabad. I have to go to Islamabad. मुझे इस्लामाबाद जाना है. मुझे इस्लामाबाद जाना है. I have to go to Islamabad. She told you twice. She told you twice. उसने तुम्हें 2 दफा बताया. She told you twice. उसने तुम्हें 2 दफा बताया. He seldom comes here. He seldom comes here. वो कभी कभार यहाँ आता है. वो कभी कभार यहाँ आता है. He seldom comes here. He seldom comes here. When will you leave? When will you leave? तुम कब रवाना होगे? When will you leave? तुम कब रवाना होगे? He got off the bus. He got off the bus. वो बस से उतरा. He got off the bus. वो बस से उतरा. He has no house to live in. He has no house to live in. उसके पास रहने के लिए घर नहीं. उसके पास रहने के लिए घर नहीं. He has no house to live in. Time once lost cannot be regained. Time once lost cannot be regained. गया वक्त फिर आत नहीं आता. गया वक्त फिर आत नहीं आता. Time once lost cannot be regained. Is it late? Is it late? क्या देर हो गई है? क्या देर हो गई है? Is it late? May I sit here? May I sit here? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit here? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? The train is out of sight now. The train is out of sight now. गाड़ी अब दिखाई नहीं दे रही. गाड़ी अब दिखाई नहीं दे रही. The train is out of sight now. He went to Monday. He went to Monday. वो सोमवार को गया. He went to Monday. He went to Monday. It has been running since morning. It has been running since morning. सुबह से बारिश हो रही है. सुबह से बारिश हो रही है. It has been running since morning. It has been running since morning. She arrived too soon. She arrived too soon. वो ज्यादा ही जल्दी आ गई. She arrived too soon. She arrived too soon. He reminds me of his brother. He reminds me of his brother. उसे देखकर मुझे उसके भाई की याद आई. He will reach within a month. He will reach within a month. वो 1 माह के अंदर पहुंचेगा. वो 1 माह के अंदर पहुंचेगा. He will reach within a month. Wake me up at 5 o'clock. Wake me up at 5 o'clock. मुझे 5 बजे जगा देना. मुझे 5 बजे जगा देना. I think is valued where it belongs. I think is valued where it belongs. जंगल में मोती की कदर नहीं होती. जंगल में मोती की कदर नहीं होती. I think is valued where it belongs. Where there is a will there is way. जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह. Where there is a will there is way. जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह. He has enough money. He has enough money. उसके पास काफी पैसा है. उसके पास काफी पैसा है. He is enough money. Really I don't believe it. वाकई मुझे यकीन नहीं आता. واقعی مجھے یقین نہیں آتا. Really, I don't believe it. He said that he was busy. He said that he was busy. اس نے کہا کہ میں مصروف ہوں. اس نے کہا کہ میں مصروف ہوں. He said that he was busy. He had no money. That is why I paid the bill. He had no money. That is why I paid the bill. اس کے پاس پیسے نہیں تھے اس لیے میں نے بل دیا. Work hard otherwise you will fail. محنت کرو ورنہ فیل ہو جاؤ گے. As I was free I went there. As I was free I went there. چونکہ میں فارغ تھا اس لیے وہاں چلا گیا. چونکہ میں فارغ تھا اس لیے وہاں چلا گیا. As I was free I went there.